Today I present you Cometh, our visual EVM debugger built with and for Mark's factory. I have loaded a smart contract bytecode and the call data of a transaction, and now we can see all the execution steps and the side effect of each step: stack, memory, and storage. Cometh takes its name from the colored trail that it's left at each step, and its side effects. So you can see exactly what an opcode or instruction has changed in the stack memory and or storage. Even more clear, when you hover your mouse over the instruction, the side effects light up. And you can also hover with your mouse on any side effect to see the instruction that produced it. In this case, instruction number 52 is responsible for changing position 3 in the stack. In solidarity with my peers, I'm releasing this product first to any volunteer Ethereum projects that were not funded by any Ethereum funding organization. Please contact me.